Are you having trouble locating the fuse box on your 2022 Mercedes E-Class? Wondering which fuse controls what in your car? In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about the fuse box, its location, fuse diagram, and how to troubleshoot common issues. Stay tuned and let's get started. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box left side, 2022 Mercedes E-Class controls and protects electrical circuits for interior functions like lights, infotainment, climate control, and power accessories on the left side of the cabin. The passenger compartment fuse box bottom, 2022 Mercedes E-Class manages and safeguards circuits for essential interior electronics and control modules located in the lower passenger compartment. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box, 2022 Mercedes E-Class, protects and distributes power to critical engine and drivetrain components, including ignition, cooling, and fuel systems. Luggage compartment fuse box. The luggage compartment fuse box number 1, 2022 Mercedes E-Class, supplies and protects electrical circuits for rear vehicle systems such as tail lights, trunk functions, and rear comfort features. The fuse box number 2 luggage compartment, 2022 Mercedes E-Class, supplies and protects electrical circuits for rear vehicle systems such as tail lights, trunk functions, and rear comfort features.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle. Locate the fuse box. Identify the faulty fuse. Remove the faulty fuse. Inspect and obtain a replacement. Install the new fuse. Test the replacement. Safety precautions. Disconnect the battery. Wear protective gear. Use proper tools. Check for correct amperage. Avoid water exposure.
If this guide on fuse box location and diagram is helpful, please like and subscribe for more informative videos.
Thanks for watching.